storm is real. The pain is heavy. The struggle feels endless. But listen,
storm will not have the last word. The waves still obey his voice. And right now, God is saying, peace, be still. The rain keeps falling, the waters rise. Hope feels distant, hidden from my eyes. But at night is dark, and the storm won't cease. I lift my hands and call on peace. So peace in the storm, strength when I'm weak. Your voice still speaks, your promise I seek. No wave can drown, no wind can break. Peace in the storm, my God still reigns.
To the broken hearted, to the fatherless, to the ones in hunger, in hopelessness, you are not forgotten. He sees your pain. God will restore you. God will restore you again and again. Oh, he calms the waters. He calms the waters. He speaks the seas. Speaks the seas. Chains are falling. Chains are falling. Captives free. Captives free. No storm too strong. No storm too strong. No night too long. No night too long. The God I serve will keep me strong. Peace in the storm, strength when I'm weak. Your voice still speaks, your promise I seek. No wave can drown, no wind can break. Peace in the storm, my God still reigns. Peace, oh peace in the storm. Lord, you are with us across the nations.